All right, so we're gonna get into how much I paid. YouTube was popping, you know that grind ain't stopping. Shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to get that bell of rain, man. And hey, man, don't forget to like that video. Yes, sir. Hey, today we going over how much I paid for my F350. I just came from picking up the shocks, so I got Fox shocks on here right now. It's the ones with the reservoirs in the front. They riding like crap. I'm pretty sure it came with it. Like, these the ones that came with the car when the car was first bought. Cause this truck came from like a lifted truck company. So the truck was pretty much put on, my bad. The shocks was pretty much put on before the truck was even, like, you know, bought by anybody. So I gotta replace the shocks. I got the shocks in the back. I just bought them off a guy. He only had them on for a month. This them right here. You know what I'm saying? I bought them for a good price. I'll tell y'all how much. I got front and back, 50 bucks. So shout out to the guy that sold me the shocks. Pretty much brand new. I ain't have to worry about buying no brand new ones, because you know everything on a budget, man. When you buying these expensive cars, you gotta find different ways and different avenues to get you a good sale. But we'll be going over how much I paid for the truck, and we'll probably be installing the shocks on this video too. So yeah, pay, insurance, shocks, give you a little walk around and everything so y'all can see the truck up close, because on the first video I really didn't get to show it too much. So I'll give y'all a good walk around of it when I park. All right, stay tuned. Hey, if anybody ever told you car reviews by KJ don't work on his own cars, tell him stop the cap. About to remove this shock. Got my impact wrench. It ain't number 2 bolts. So there's one up there, and there's one right here. I'm about to swap it out. Got my little set here. Let's get to it. All right, we're making some progress. So this the new shock I got. I didn't say what they were, by the way. So they BDS suspension NX2s, the Nitro series. So pretty much this the real ones. You see the real ones got a little bit of length on it. I think that's why it was riding pretty crappy, because this truck is lifted, but I don't think they compensated in the back for the rear spring. I mean the rear shocks. So I already got the rear shock out. I got one on already. You see my tools down there. I got that one on. Make it look a lot cleaner too. So I got that one on. I'm about to swap that one on. I used the jack to jack up the shock, put it in place, and then I put the bolt in, then I screwed it in. So it's been going by pretty smooth. I think I've been down here probably like 10-15 minutes. You know, people be saying they take like 5 minutes. They be lying. So I've been down here like 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes just getting it, because my impact wrench wasn't tough enough to take off that screw. So I might need to charge it, but we're getting it cracking. Let's keep going. Yeah, man. Feeling like a real life mechanic right now. So yeah, I got both the real ones on. Yes, sir. And I did the little bounce test, you know, where I kind of jump on the bed and they got a little bit more bounce now. That's what I wanted, because I guess I was riding on just leaf springs and springs at first. But yeah, let's get these front shocks on. That's what's on there right now. I plan on getting these rebuilt, because the Fox company is actually like right down the street from me. So I'm gonna get those rebuilt so I can have those on standby for when these go bad. But here it is. I'm about to get ready to install those. So let's take those off. You see I got the wheel kind of turned. I know that's not the most ideal way to do it, but man, come on. I'm in my driveway. So let me live, you know what I'm saying? We're about to get it done. Let's go. All right, y'all. So I got all the shocks. Got all the shocks replaced. It took me a couple hours. Nothing too crazy though. Something you can do at home is nothing but literally 2 bolts on each side. And then the reservoir. I had the reservoir on the Fox shock, so I had to remove that too. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward, man. The only thing you're gonna have to worry about is getting dust in your eye and getting knocking loose the rust if it has any like corrosion. But this thing drives like, I would say, probably like 2-3 times better than it did. I'll get those Fox shocks rebuilt and then go from there. But let's get into how much I paid for the truck. I think I'm gonna pull over. And we can talk it up. We can, you know what I'm saying? Get acquainted. Let's get acquainted. All right, it's kind of loud, kind of on a side little highway, but I want to pull over so y'all can see it and hear it. This is it. I believe this is like a 3 or 4 inch lift, but it's high enough. I don't want the 6 inch way too big to be going through, you know, drive-throughs and places and things like that. But see, I'm missing a reservoir now. The reservoir gone. Oh, it's way too loud over here, y'all. It's way too loud. I don't know what I was thinking. People ride motorcycles. But yeah, this is it. I took the air out the bags. I do have airbag shocks in the back. I see the airbags in there. These 37s. Riding on the 37s. You can see them swirls a little bit. I need a buff job. I'm gonna learn how to do that on my Neon before I start digging into this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the walk around. Panoramic roof. You've seen the roof from the video in the beginning, but this is the stance of it. Sunny California, San Diego, we out here. Let me hop back in the truck because it's too loud out here. Step bars. All right, so we're gonna get into how much I paid. I paid $69,000. I paid $69,000 for the truck. Paid $69,000. I paid $100 a month for insurance. With that being said, the Hellcat was $130 a month, so I'm saving $30 on insurance. My monthly payments is at $1,093. So $1,093, and then the Hellcat was at $727 a month or something like that. So it's like a $200-300 difference. But this truck is capable of way more, and it's just way more, like, with the shocks done now and everything, the ride is way more comfortable now. So the ride way more comfortable. I can tow things if I need to tow things. I can get the trailer. I can move my box Chevy if I need to. When it comes time to moving cross country, you know what I'm saying, I can put the trailer on the back, a 2-car trailer or something like that, to take my car, my wife's car, and then get another car shipped. Or I can take my car, my wife's car, and then sell my beater. I got a beater. It's not necessary to take, so I can get a 2-car trailer, tow both of those cars in the back of here, and the dogs can go in the back. You know, we can put clothes, change clothes and stuff like that in the bed. Just give me some seat covers, and then we'll be in the game. But I look forward to bringing plenty more content. Let me know what you want to see. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna name the truck, either just call it Platinum or name it Silverback. I'm pretty sure you've seen the back of the bed is silver, so I think I like Silverback because it's big, it's bulky, it's like a gorilla, or, you know, it's big. So gorilla's big. Some gorillas got silverback gorilla. Let me know. Shout out to all my whippers, man. I really appreciate y'all rocking with me every video. Everybody that's been supporting the channel, I really appreciate it. You know, shout out to the man upstairs for holding it down, blessing me to get this. And shout out to my mama and my stepdad for showing me how to work the credit system and how to pretty much get anything I want. House, car, anything. Credit cards. Like, I gotta let me know if y'all want help with credit. I can break it down to you. You know, how to get a 750 credit score up and up. You know, I've been in the 8s before, but I bought a house and I bought this truck. So every time you buy big items, it kind of hits your credit, and then it builds back up after you've been paying on it. So let me know if you're interested, man. Thanks for watching the video. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.